Good morning. I hope you are able to hear my voice very clearly. So yesterday this lecture is all about the spreadsheets that we were discussing yesterday. Today we'll move further ahead. So give me a second and then we'll start. So here we go. We have discussed yesterday about the Libre OpenOffice. The Libre OpenOffice is actually an open source software. Hello. So the Libre OpenOffice is an open source software. It's freely available. We have discussed this yesterday. It's available in 110 languages. Just an introduction. And then we have learned how we can open the software. This is the homepage of the software that you'll see. And then you have to click on that option, that is the spreadsheet option. Once you click on the spreadsheet option, the first page that appears in front of you is called the workbook. The workbook is comprises of the many sheets. And you can see as well, there are so many options available over here. Like an active cell reference, the column headers, the formula bar, the title bar, the menu bar, the standard bar, the formula toolbar. Once again, I will just, for a brief revision, I'll tell you. This, what you see over here, is a menu bar. This is a title bar, which you can see right on top. The title is written over there. This is the menu bar. This is the standard toolbar, and this is the formatting bar. So we have done all of this. Quickly moving further. This is the use of the spreadsheet software. It is used to calculate, it is used to analyze, store information, and organize the data in a tabular format. So this spreadsheet is actually comprised of tables. So these tables are intersections of rows and columns. You can see the columns headers are labeled as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on. And the rows are labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Yesterday, I taught you how to enter data in series. Once again, let me open this. So let us once again see. What you can see is my screen. So once again, you will open OpenOffice. We'll go over here. And here you can see OpenOffice. I'll open this app. So here it is. Let us open this spreadsheet. I clicked on this spreadsheet. The videos that you usually see on YouTube are highly edited videos in which you see things running very smooth, quickly happening within seconds. Here it is not like that. This is just a recording of the Zoom classes which I am sharing with you. So if you want to enter data into any cell, first of all you have to activate that cell. So I'm writing over here. To enter data into any of the cell, first activate that particular cell by click on. You just have to click on it and you will activate that particular cell. So this is how. Another important thing is the cell address, which I have already told you. Once again, see this. A cell address is actually the intersection of rows and columns. This is column A, this is row 10, and the resulting cell you can see over here in this particular box, which is known as the address bar. This is known as the address bar. So in this is the address bar where you can enter the data into a particular cell. Now, moving further, if you want to enter data in series, I've already told you. See this. This is 1 and 2 and 3, and just suppose I'm making a roll number list, then I'll just scroll it down to whatever. So there are 49 students in my class or in our class, so I have scroll it down till 49, and here I can easily select them by dragging this mouse left button, and I can make easy alignment with this, which you can see as a left alignment or the middle alignment or the right alignment or the justified alignment, which will not work over here. So I'll better choose the middle alignment, and you can see it is right in front of you. And I'll write over here the roll number. And I'll make it bold, and I'll increase the size. So yeah, I can even adjust the size of the rows and the columns. You can see over here. And I'll highlight this using this bucket icon. So I've highlighted this. I can even make a table out of this. I'll select this over down till where I left it, and here this is the option, the borders option that you can see, and you can see very clearly. You can see how beautifully we have converted this simple data into what you call as a table. Now next, if you want to enter the student's name, so the student's name you enter over here. So student's name. Now here, let me increase the size of this. Let me also make it bold. I'll also increase the size of this, the student's name. And here I can write Arnav, Vishal, Manoj, Raghav, Shilpi, Amit, Shagra, Nalima, Manoj. Manoj, I have already written. So that I'd add few more names. Say Angel, like Francis. So these are the names I have added. I'll make them also bold. And now I'll increase the size of all of this. Let me increase the size of all of this. I'll increase the size. I can highlight this cell by using this particular option. Now I want to enter, make it convert into a table. Again, the same option I'll be using. You can convert into a table. Here I can enter the marks. The marks I have entered over here. I'll make it bold and I'll convert it into the same font size. And I'll convert it into the table by using this particular option. And you can see I will highlight this using this bucket option. So I have highlighted. Now the remaining of them I can remove. So I'll simply delete them. So I'll press on the delete and it will say delete all. You can see easily I have deleted all the cells and I have got a beautiful table. Now the next thing is that we have to enter the marks. So let me enter the marks. 50 marks out of 100. Say 25. Say 33. Say 79. 75. 65. 55. 45. 10 marks. I'm entering all these marks to show you what I'm going to do next. Say 80 marks. So again the same process. Make it bold, make it center aligned, make it 15. And now you can see a beautiful table is present in front of you. And now I'll be converting this table into a chart, which you will be seeing. First of all, drag and swipe the left mouse button down under to the bottom right, where you can see a handle over here. And now if you want to shift this table to any of the places, you can even do that, which you can see over here. I have shifted this table to this place. Next is I have to make a chart. So what I will do over here, I want to show you a particular option. Just now we have used few options. We have used this option. We have used this option. We have used this option. We have used these options. Now we'll be using another option, which is this option, which you call as a chart. So I have selected my data already. I'll click on this. You can see over here, these two, I'm showing the connection between them to convert it into a chart. And I'll click on this. And I've already clicked. And you can see a beautiful chart has appeared in front. And now I will go for a normal chart. So now you can see a beautiful chart is there in front of you, which is showing the marks of the students with the yellow marker. And I'll remove one of them. And now I'll show the what changes we can make and how we can analyze the data. Let us see this. So let me select only two of them. I'll select only this much data, just the marks and the names, and now I'm clicking on this. Wow! Now you can see what a chart we have. You can see the name of the students, and you can see the respective marks. 78 marks. I would like to highlight. 78 marks were scored by Raghav, which you can see over here, and 80 marks were scored by Francis. This is how we analyze the data. You can convert this chart into different types of charts, options available. So we have covered a substantial part over here. Now let us proceed. And now I'll be showing to you that how we can once again we can, if you want to center line this. Now another thing, you can insert pictures as well. If you want to insert pictures by using this option, just see, when I click on this option, this I can insert pictures, any pictures I can insert over here. Picture inserted over here. Now, what I want to show you is the referencing part, which is a really an important part. We'll be covering that thing that is in the tomorrow session. We'll be covering that part, and just now this will be the end of this class. I hope you have understood. You can even merge the cells. Which let me merge the cells. If I want to merge these two, let me merge this by using this. You can see I have merged, and this is the result. So while creating timetable, class timetable, and all the things, you can see. Suppose you want to create a timetable for 5 periods. So simply you have to merge the cells accordingly for your own. So here you can write the days of the week, say Monday, Tuesday, and so on. Here you can write the periods 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you want to add more columns, you click on this and insert columns, and you can see the column has been inserted. This is how you can work with this, and that will be all for today. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much.